Hello everyone, welcome to Whiskey Therapy. I'm Jason. Today we're making a Rob Roy. Now think of this as a Manhattan, but with more attitude and a thick Scottish accent you pretend to understand. This drink will punch you in the taste buds and apologize with a bow. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's go through the ingredient lineup for today's cocktail. Monkey shoulder Scotch, 3 monkeys, 1 bottle, no banana flavor, and surprisingly smooth. Carpano Antica. It's Italian, it's fancy, it's been to more art museums than you. Angostura Bitters, the emotional support of cocktail ingredients, and then of course, Luxardo Cherry. Now this costs more than your entire fruit drawer, but it's still worth it. All right, folks, let's get historically buzzed for just a moment. The Rob Roy cocktail was born in 1894 at the Waldorf Astoria. It was actually invented for the Rob Roy operetta. Yeah, a whole cocktail was created because some guy in tights sang about rebellion. Broadway gave us this cocktail, then I guess musicals are useful? Let's get into the build. We're going to start with 2 ounces of monkey shoulder Scotch. Now, if you haven't tried monkey shoulder, it's what happens when 3 single malts walk into a bar and decide to start a band. Now I'm going to add 3/4 of an ounce of Carpano Antica, the bougiest sweet vermouth out there. Seriously, this vermouth drives a Vespa and judges your glassware. Finally, hit this with 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters. It adds depth, spice, and the illusion that you know what you're doing. It's 4 dashes for me because I have the Japanese bitter bottle. Now add some ice to your mixing glass and we're gonna stir. Don't shake it. This is Scotch. It's not a protein shake. Stir until chilled or until your regrets feel distant and manageable. Now you wanna strain this into a chilled coupe glass. Now you want the kind of glass that says I pay my bills on time and sometimes wear velvet. Finally, you want to top it off with a Luxardo Cherry, otherwise known as the I have my life together garnish. You don't have to use Luxardo, but the cocktail gods will judge you. I'm actually going to add 2 for good measure. And there you have it, the Rob Roy. Let's go in for a taste. Cheers, y'all. Oh yeah, that's danger in a silk robe. It tastes like smoky confidence with just a whisper of, I might buy a sword on eBay later. The Rob Roy, named after a Scottish outlaw who robbed the rich, gave to the poor, and probably invented passive-aggressive sarcasm. Like, subscribe, hit that bell, unless you want your cocktails to keep tasting like missed opportunities and sadness. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you next time. Cheers.